All right, let's take a start. Do you like to watch films?
Yes, I prefer to watch films over reading books because I like to watch something instead of reading and using my mind.
Okay, that's good. So you can just speak a little more about watching films. Listen, I've not asked you for the comparison of reading books and watching movies. So it's a good idea if you talk about movies only. Let's go on. Do you prefer foreign films or local films?
It only depends on my mood. When I like to watch cringe movies, I prefer Bollywood movies or like something like local movies. But when I want to watch a movie with a good message in it, then I prefer watching foreign movies.
Okay. How often do you go to the cinema to watch a movie?
I prefer to watch a movie at home, but sometimes I like to go to cinema, for example, like once a month or once in 2 months.
Okay, you can add a couple of sentences to this answer. Do people in your country like to watch a movie in the cinema or at home?
It depends on people. Some people like to watch to cinema. Some people like to go to cinema to watch a movie because of the screen size. They prefer to watch a movie on a bigger screen. But some people like to watch movies in their comfort zone, that is their couch.
Good. What kind of movies do you like?
I like movies with quite romantic ones because I like to watch sweet romantic movies, but some message in it, like some good message in it.
Okay, what's your favorite movie and why?
My favorite movie was Bowl, which is a local movie, but because it was a movie with some transgender, it was a movie that gives messages about transgender rights, and I'm a sociologist, so I like to talk about the human rights, especially of transgenders.
All right, fantastic. Your answers are good. Just you need to familiarize yourself with such type of questions so that when they ask you over there, you should already know about it. Okay? Thank you.